Yuck, this is the second traffic circle to get to this place. I hate traffic circles. Which fucking way do I go? I guess I'll follow this truck. Never stopped here before. Okay, I'm at Route 66 truck stop. It's in New Mexico, I-40, exit 140. There's the travel center, and there's the casino and hotel over there. I still got like 8 hours to run today. And I just went to a casino last night. See, I'm wearing the same clothes. If I don't get a load within the next couple hours, I'll go in the casino. I really shouldn't do a casino 2 days in a row, but what can you do? I will go check out the truck stop real quick, see what they got to eat. I'm a little hungry. Hades. Alright, been here like 4 hours, no new load. Let's go check it out. Nope, bigger casino. Well, let's try this. $6 a spin. I didn't get anything for that. Didn't get all of them. What's that? I just won $100. I don't understand. Huh. I'm playing like 10 bucks per spin.
Your bonus has arrived. A big wheel and
Playing 10 bucks, 25 shouldn't even be on there. I don't think that really counts. $20 shouldn't be on there either. I'll take 50. So I got a gold spin.
go ahead. There's your prize multiplier.
Oh, the multiplier. That times 3. Now it's gonna be like a 20 or something. Come on, 40.
Big winner here. Excellent.
120. All right, got another gold spin.
No.
I'll take 5 times something.
There's your prize multiplier.
I bet it's gonna be 20 this time. I bet it's gonna be 20. But hey, it started with 20. I got 220 plus whatever this is. See that 1,000, 150. It's gonna be 30. 150. This one 55. Playing a new one. You need 3 spins on this. Yeah. Bastard. 2 more. Unless I win something. Last one. Nothing.
To Wheel of Fortune.
Okay, playing quarters now. White. 3 sevens is 10 quarters. Quarters, not dollars this time. Well, we'll play this a little longer. Let's try these 2 wolf games. So I immediately want something. I bet $1. And I just want 24, 6, 27, 32. I want another 5. Could get my camera out of time. Who cares about 5? Okay, 120 on the last one. Let's try it. Those guys aren't wild. Another $10. I'll do it. Fuck this game. I like these quick hit platinum. Bastard. Well, you know, that's fun. Even if I lose the whole $20 started. Jackpot me. $12. Let's try it. That looks decent, huh? 1650. I'll take it. I'm really feeling this one. That's nothing. Something, huh? One more after this. Ooh, that's decent. Really? That's nothing? Alright, last one. What's that? What's that? What's that? Pretty good enough for something, huh? good. That's decent. Look at that. $56. Nothing. And some else. 13. Come on. 13. Nothing. What's up on this one? Let's do something on 100. $100. I guess ice doesn't count for that. $92. Alright. Whatever. Poker's always fun. $1. Credits? I didn't know that. Alright, we're done. What the fuck? Thought I was about 9. Trying this one. $40. $40 again. Another $40. Let's try this. Oh, it sucked. Ooh. They sure like to tease you with that a lot. Done. Fuck this. Another wolf game. That's nothing, all them wolves. You know, I'm not liking this. Yeah, fine. 3 more. Why do those wilds keep coming out? Now I gotta keep playing, huh? They left me. That's some horse shit. I think I'm done with this. Yeah, I don't care about the 40 cents I just won. Okay, last game. 2 more and I'm done. This is nonsense. 196, yeah, that's not enough for me to give a shit. Alright, maybe 240. Serious, man. No, I'm fine, no more of these. Route 66 Casino. Won $200. If I can find the fucking shit. Fucking crap. Where's my fucking money? $200. Wish they just gave me 2 $100 bills instead of a bunch of change, but whatever. Fun stuff, man. I would definitely stop by here if I continue to drive, which I won't. Next day, I still don't have a load. Yeah, so this place serves cold coffee. You still got to pay money for it. I guess that's a thing in New Mexico. They don't have those things to keep the coffee hot. Just drips into a container. It gets cold quite quickly, I guess. I don't know. This isn't the only place in New Mexico that does that fucking shit. Also, someone hit my truck last night. Pushed in the mirrors, but those pop back out. Fucker's driving by. Driving by, fuck. I'm in the back. The truck starts shaking a little. I come out and there's a trailer, you know, like 6 inches from here. Knocked in both the mirrors, shit. Then it backs up and it starts to go forward. So I assume the guy's gonna get out. I get dressed because, well, I mean, I put my jacket and stuff on. It took me maybe 20-30 seconds to find my jacket. I get out, the guy's fucking gone, nowhere around. He just took the fuck off. All I know was a white trailer. Had I known he was gonna take off, I would have paid a little more attention to like license plates and stuff. What a fucking prick. That's just what the world is today. Bunch of fucking cunts. Dude, I fucking hate this job. I'm glad I'm almost done.